How to check Suddenlink outage. What to do? To check if there is a Suddenlink outage or service down in your area, you can use the following methods. Visit the Suddenlink outage map or outage report website at https://www.optimum.com/outage-map, which show the most recent cities and locations where users have reported problems and outages. You can also submit a report. If you are experiencing issues with Suddenlink, call the Suddenlink customer service number at 866-347-4784 and follow the prompts to check for service interruptions or outages in your area. You can also speak to a representative for further assistance. Use the Suddenlink app on your smartphone or tablet to check your account status, view your bill, pay your bill, or chat with an agent. You can also use the app to troubleshoot your service or schedule a service appointment. Check the Suddenlink social media accounts, such as Twitter or Facebook, for any updates or announcements regarding service issues or outages. You can also contact Suddenlink through these platforms for support. If you are experiencing a Suddenlink outage or service down, here are some things you can do to try to fix it. Restart your modem, router, or cable box by unplugging them from the power source for 10 seconds and then plugging them back in. Wait for them to reboot and reconnect to the network. Check your cables and connections to make sure they are secure and not damaged. If possible, try using a different cable or outlet to see if that resolves the issue. Reset your network settings on your device by going to Settings, Network and Internet Status, Network Reset. This will delete any saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords and restore the default settings. You will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network after this. Run the Suddenlink speed test to check your internet speed and performance. If your speed is lower than expected, you may need to contact Suddenlink for further troubleshooting or upgrade your plan. Contact Suddenlink customer service or technical support if none of the above steps work or if you need more help. You can call them at 1-877-794-2724, chat with them online, or visit their help center.